Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video we have another hobby time related stuff, so I will be unboxing the Primaris Aggressors. So this is a miniature model kit made by Games Workshop. They do own the Warhammer IP, so they are producing miniatures for these game systems, and this will be a Space Marines unit of 3. So let's open it up. Okay, so this set will cost you 30 British pounds on the GW or Games Workshop site directly, or 40 euros if you are from Europe. You have to specify when you are in the shop where you are from, and they will basically calculate the price. If you are smart, which I always suggest to my viewers, go and shop around. You can find them on eBay from third-party resellers with a discount. So these 3 I bought from Triple Helix War Games, and the price from them was 22.50 British pounds or 25.5 euros. So really huge savings there. Okay, so firstly let me explain that this is the full set, or the full kit with all the options. There is also a quick build set, which is less expensive but has no options, but that will be shown in another video. Okay, so firstly we have on the back side we have a nice rendering of the fully painted miniatures by the Heavy Metal team, of course. So these are the Ultramarines chapter colors, of course, the cobalt blue, which I will be painting mine because I have a Ultramarines army, or I'm building one. So here are all the colors you will need. This will be also in the manual building guide. And basically the difference between the quick build and this model kit set is, of course, you can change out the guns. Okay, so let me open up. Okay, so inside we have, like I mentioned, the manual. We have 3 bases for the miniatures themselves, of course, and we have a Ultramarines transfer sheet for all the companies from 9 to 10, or is it 20? Oh, squad numbers. Okay, so here is the sprue. So basically for 30 pounds, so 15 pounds each, you will get 1 sprue. And here are the torsos. So these look like the heavy Gravis armor, maybe replacement for the Terminators, but they do not have a teleporter beacon, so who knows. And so there you have your auto bolt storm gauntlet. So this is with this one, so with the ammunition feed, or you should have the flame storm option also here somewhere, yeah, with these, well, I would say flamers. Backpack is here, so the power plant, and also you will get the frag storm grenade launcher here. So these obviously are all options, so you have to choose which one to equip. I will probably have this unit with the flamers, or no, with the bolt storm gauntlet. Yeah, this is the way to go, because if you want the firestorm, or sorry, if you want the flamestorm gauntlet, then you can go with the easy to build kit. Okay, let's check out the manual. So here you have them both displayed, painted up. And you can choose with helmets or without helmets. I will go with helmets, of course. It makes more sense always to have them with helmets. And for these, of course, you will have to have a plastic cement or plastic glue to construct them. So here is your sergeant and your standard aggressor. Lots of details, and with these CAD renderings, it's nice to see. So you have options to put purity seals on them, of course, and you should have fun. Yes, you can put them there, but obviously you can put them anywhere you like. And this is the second option, where you can build them with the firestorm gauntlets. Okay, here's the stat line, but keep in mind that probably this is outdated because the rules change. So you have the codex, and of course here's the information where you put your chapter markings and your squad markings and the color scheme for the hat, the weapons, and the reds. They will not give you a blue one, or is inside? No, it is not inside. For the blue one, yeah, you have it on the box. So these are the ultramarines colors you will need to shade and highlight them. Okay, so this was the Primaris Aggressors unboxing. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. Always do your homework, search around to get the best possible price, of course, and do not pay the full retail. This hobby is expensive as it is, so if you can save some money, then you should do so. And I will always advertise this, that You have to be smart with everything, in every purchase. Money is scarce. Maybe if you have enough money, then yes, of course, you can go and buy them directly. They will give you excellent service, and they will give you also free shipping from 50 euros. So yeah, it depends. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you are a subscriber, thumbs up and big thanks to you. Thanks for your support. If you are not, please consider subscribing. I try to publish at least 3 videos per week, mostly gear, knife, flashlights, watches, but also hobby related stuff like Warhammer, books, hobby tools, and so on. Okay, so have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.